guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So as we all know, micellar water is so in right now to remove your makeup. It doesn't dry your skin and gets rid of all your makeup. So WOW Skin Science had sent me this product. It's their facial cleanser. It's a micellar facial and makeup remover, and it cleanses your face and will get rid of all your makeup but will not dry your skin. That's what they say. So I'm going to review this product today. So firstly, I'm going to tell you show you what it looks like. So this is the box, this is their packaging. It's very interesting, and I'll tell you how much this retails for. It's for 599 rupees. So micellar water nowadays, it is expensive. You have a lot of brands nowadays that have started this. So I'm going to open this box and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to see how to use it. Firstly, what you have to do is
video चालू है ना?
Sorry. Okay, sorry. ना छोटे में दिखा दूँ. फिर से बोलूँ. So now let me read it out on how to use it. Soak a cotton pad with WOW Micellar Facial Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Gently cleanse or remove your makeup from your face and eyelids, and wait for a few seconds and then you remove it. Okay, and then you can reapply it if your makeup is not out. Okay, so I'm going to open this now and then we'll try it. So I'm going to take a cotton pad now. Then I'm going to remove it. Oh, this is really fancy. All you got to do is just push it. So I think first I'm going to shake it very well. Then let's try this. I think that's good enough. So I'm going to start removing my makeup. It's actually coming out really quickly. So I'm going to take another cotton pad and I'll see if my eye makeup comes off that easily. I'm going to place it on my eyelids. Wait for a few seconds. So my eye makeup did come off really easily. That was really easy. I'm really liking this product. All my makeup is coming off very easily and my skin doesn't feel dry at all. So guys, I've removed my makeup and it was really simple to remove my makeup. I really like this product. It's a must buy from my side. It has aloe vera leaf juice and cucumber extract and lavender oil as well. So I think this product is amazing. It's a must buy. If you can see, my makeup has gone off in like seconds. It was that easy to remove it. So that was your WOW Micellar makeup remover. Do try it. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you've tried any other makeup cleanser or any other product, let me know. And I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.